Yo, what's up? So, I made a system that basically scrapes every single video from the URL of the YouTube the guy that you put in there. So basically, you're going to get the URL by the channel. You go to the channel, get the URL, you just put inside of the scraper, and it's just going to get all the data from every single video. So this is the idea of the thing that I built over here. This is a small scale version of the thing, because the one that I've used is a little bigger because it's needed for the system that I'm making, but this is like the skeleton. If you want to do the same thing as I done, this is what you gotta do. So anyway, let's head into Apify so I can show you the scrapers that we use. By the way, we are using Apify for this. So the scrapers that we're using are two. One scrapes the entire channel URLs. I'm actually in the wrong account, but I'll show you anyways. So this one is the YouTube scraper. This one is going to scrape the videos. This is the second one that we are using, and the first one is, let me check. I used to use this one, but here's the thing. This one takes too long to run. When I tested it, it took around 5 whole minutes to scrape my entire YouTube channel, which is around 80 videos, and that's way too long. If you want to use it, you can use it. This one is half the price of the other one that we're gonna use, but because we're only going to scrape one channel and use other scrapers for the videos, it depends on which one. I prefer using this one just because it's faster and doesn't matter, like it's 8 cents. So this is the scraper that we're going to use. If you want to look here, if you want to check the link, the URL of the thing, just go over here and get the information. Anyway, we're gonna get this JSON over here so we can do the API call. I've made a video showing how to make API calls to Apify. You can check that if you're not aware how to do it, but I'm gonna show you very quick over here how the thing actually works. So this is an HTTP request. We have a post method. The URL is just this is just the ID thing. So yeah, you got the ID, credentials, just your API key, whatever, and this content type, application JSON, then the JSON, and this is the thing from Apify that we're gonna send. This one is for the channel scraper, and the other one's for the video scraper. Anyway, just go into Apify, copy the JSON, do the thing, watch my other video showing how to do this. It's pretty simple how to connect. I'm just going to show you how the system actually works. So yeah, so let's scrape my own channel so I can show you in action. I'm going to send a message over here, which is my very own channel. We go here, and then we click here, and I'm gonna copy my URL. Cool. Now that I got my URL, we're going back into n8n. Let me just pause this, and we're going to paste and send. Cool. So as you can see, it started running the scraper, and now I have this node, which is just a wait node set for 2 minutes, I guess, 1 minute, whatever. The reason is the scraper actually takes around, I'd say 2 minutes, 1 minute, it depends. Once my other scraper, which scrapes like 400 videos a time, I set this to like 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Just give it a test, put whatever you want if you just want to make this automatic as I done. Put any number if you're comfortable with it, but I use around 2 minutes to 4 minutes. And as you can see, when you finish loading this, we are going to do this. But I'm actually going to stop my execution, and I'm going to show you an execution that I already made so I can show you exactly how everything works and we don't have to wait for it. Let me just load this if my internet will. Alright, cool. So, as you can see, we're gonna run the scraper, we're gonna wait for it to finish, because when you're running the scraper, it start running and you have to wait in order to get the data. So after we get the data, which is this one, as you can see, we're gonna put the URL for the API call, and we're going to get the data ID that we're gonna get from the previous node. It's going to start the scraper, and it's going to give you the ID. So you're gonna put the ID in this one so we can get the data, and then we have to download the data. So download the data you get from this one. So this one is going to get the ID from the run itself, and this one is going to get the data set from the ID thing over here. So here we're gonna get the data set ID, and we're going to get our data, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you in the table so it looks prettier. You're gonna get the title, publish time, view count, length, URL. There's a lot of information here. Description, thumbnail. Anyway, what we want is the URL. Well, what I want is the URL, because now we are going to scrape the entire channel information. And how are we going to do it? So I wrote this little code over here using AI, but there's a very specific reason for that I'm going to show you. You can just copy. I'm just going to open this. It's very simple. You can just copy this. I don't know how you're gonna do it. I have an extension in my YouTube that I just copy stuff, but if you wanna just take a screenshot and just paste it over there, this is the code that you need. The reason being, what this code does, it is going to get the URLs, like we scraped the URLs, right? So this code is going to get all the URLs from the thing that we scraped, and this is just going to compact it inside of, like, it's just going to smash them together so we can make this API call over here. Let me just connect this so you can see. The output, let me show you the output. The output is this. It's a JSON, and it's just a bunch of URLs from the channel. All videos in the channel, they are just crammed together in here because the channel scraper, the video scraper that I mentioned, the API call looks like this. And here we go, we have the start URLs, which are the URLs of the video. So that code is just going to format it properly so we can do an API call no matter how many links we get. So that's cool. So that's how it works. So yeah, this is the API call if you want to have a look. Here it is. I showed in my other video, so go check it. And by the way, if you have any question about system n8n, anything that you're building a system and you have questions, just ask them down and I might help you because I'm a cool guy. So just shout them in the comments. And that's how we do it. So now if we run this scraper over here, I'm just going to start running this. Oh, forbidden. Check your credentials. I'm using the wrong credentials. Sorry. We gotta use this one. And now I gotta change this one. Okay, we're good. Now I gotta test this. And as you can see, it started my scraper. And now it's going to use this wait thing over here. It's going to wait like 1 minute, but I don't really want to wait. And it's the same process as we've done before. All we gotta do is connect this to this, get the run. And then we gotta just download the data as I mentioned. So we just copy this, paste this, and then we just put this in here. And when this one finishes running, like when this one scrapes all my YouTube videos that it's doing right now, after it goes through the wait node, it's going to start my scraper. And I don't think you really want to wait 2 minutes in order to see that, so I'm just going to explain what it does because we've done it before. But anyways, this is just going to get the data for the previous one, get the data set, and this one is going to download the data. I'm going to show you actually what the data looks like. I think I can come to my runs. Let's go into my actors and YouTube scraper, and this is what the outputs look like. Apparently I have no... Oh, okay. So, this is what the output looks like. Can I see in JSON? We're gonna have the title of the video. We're gonna have the whatever ID. Yeah, this is the ID of the URL. We're gonna get the URL of the video count. We're gonna get the date, the name of the channel. We're gonna get the URL of the video. Oh no, the URL of the channel. We're gonna get the subscribers, duration, and there's more information in here. This one's not showing it. Oh, hidden fields. Okay, so here we go. This is everything that you're gonna get: channel name, channel ID, channel username, number of subscribers, duration, comment counts, text, description links, and subtitles. So you can select the entire subtitles. I don't think AP5 wants to show me because of the size of this. Yeah, like it's 14 kilobytes of just subtitles. So AP5 doesn't want to show me everything. But that's the information that I get. If you want to pause the video and just check in here, this is all that you're gonna get by scraping the video. And yeah, that's what I do. Let's see if this works now. Okay, it worked. Cool. And here we go. Now you have all the information for my channel. I have a studio set up, and now you have the type, thumbnail, whatever. Here is the entire transcript of my video, as you can see, and this is for my 80 videos in the channel. So yeah, that's it. This is how I scrape channels. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope it could help you with anything that you're building. And yeah, this is how I scrape YouTube channels because I'm a psychopath. So yeah, thanks. Bye bye.